She's cleaning the shower, and they're cleaning the shower. Doesn't look like it, right? But it's true, because Wet n Forget Shower does all the work for you. Wet n Forget Shower is the once-a-week shower cleaner that lets you go live life. Rinsing? Forget it. Scrubbing? Forget it. And all these? Forget it. Wet n Forget Shower is a bleach-free, quick and easy once-a-week spray that goes to work on contact to clean soap scum and everyday shower grime, giving you back what matters most, your free time. The Ultra Cleaning Mist Simple Squeeze and Hold design delivers a continuous, even spray, so you get a powerful clean minus the hassle, leaving your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Check out the over 40,000 5-star reviews from people who really use Wet n Forget Shower. This is cleaning the shower. Don't forget to get your Wet n Forget at Target, Walmart, and Lowe's.